Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. It's about 8:52 on the 11th of February 2016. Let's get into what's going to happen. I'm going to call this storm the Beast in the East. You'll see what I'm talking about momentarily. So right now we have some snow showers here in the western parts of Pennsylvania and the lake effect areas. High pressure system along the west. You see where this trough sits along, and there's some streaks along the area up in the Dakotas. But as this continues to move down, we're going to have little pieces of energy slide along this trough. We get a little bit of a low pressure system form on Friday. That's going to give us the potential of some snow in North Carolina. Yes, I said Carolina. With some, not a whole lot, maybe an inch or two, but your Outer Banks could be seeing some snow. As this thing then moves away, it would pull some snow into Norfolk before moving out. That's not the Beast. That's just a precursor. Because we get high pressure and we get another storm right along this troughing axis. And what these are pegs along the wheel. We talk about that all the time on our blogs. And these pegs along the wheel basically form low pressure systems when they hit the coastline. They have a low, they follow the jet stream down, they hit the coast, warm water, and boom, they just blow up. And this looks to be what's going to happen there, because we get into Sunday, we get some snowfall here across central Illinois, back here to the Dakotas. High pressure's over Roanoke in that area right now, but there we go. Snow now moving into Missouri, snow now moving into closer to Chicago, Minneapolis. These areas will have snow. And the steam dives south. The cold air is in place along the East Coast. On Monday, as this thing continues to move across this disturbance, the high moves out, and what do we get? A low pressure starting to develop. Across the area, we'll see second low develop back towards Texas, and this is what's going to be the main driver of the coastline. Snow will start moving in on Tuesday, on Monday night, 8 o'clock, look at Smith Mountain Lake, possibly Roanoke, and some snow flurries, snow showers. By we get overnight, we get some good snow going, some sleet and freezing rain mix, possibly east of Lynchburg. And this just gets big, really fast. 12Z Tuesday, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock range. Heavy snowfall on the I-81 corridor up to around D.C. Low pressure now sitting about North Carolina, South Carolina. So this heavy snow band will stay over the area for a while and then move to the east a little bit. D.C. looks to be in that area. That would also include Lynchburg, Richmond, and then move to the northeast. It's going to be a rain-snow line here. How far the flow moves out to sea versus how closest to the coast gives Jersey its big versus minor versus a more major snowfall. It looks at this point like this is a 60 run. The 12Z, the 0 is a little further out, so I'm not buying 60 as much. Up to this point, everything's been the same. The snow just needs to be a little further over, and you'll get a good snow band here in New Jersey, in Delaware. But we'll turn to all snow before moving out as this thing clips the Long Island and also the Massachusetts area as it's moving out. And it turned to all snow there also. And now we're getting a little progressively warmer, so we get these streaks, what we call streakers, going across around D.C., dries up, the warm air starts moving, we start getting a ridge. We were talking about this before, a bit, right around this time frame of the 20th, and there it is, we're warming up. 558, not in the 540s anymore. So, the next storm that goes through will likely be some rain up to the 540 lines, going to drop back in underneath that and start to cool air back into the area by the time 22nd, 23rd rolls around. So, as this trough digs south, we'll have another shot, obviously. Our precipitation will be warmer or will be cold by the time we get towards the end of the month. That'll be determined rather soon. But we gotta watch for the Beast in the East. That could be a Tuesday. I-81 corridor. I'll be preparing now. We've had a couple good amount of runs between Euro and the GFS stadium will be a snowfall that does occur along the I-81 corridor with accumulating snow. Significant. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.